The Eurofighter Typhoon has already reduced its per-unit cost by 30% for the 114 MRFA deal, and it could also reduce it to 35%. Eurofighter Typhoon Tranche 4 variant has been offered to India, and the production line will be shifted from Europe to India. Indian companies will have the rights and capabilities to cater to the existing operators of the Eurofighter Typhoon, and India will also gain access to the transfer of technology for many of the aircraft core technologies, and India can make future upgrades to the Eurofighter independently without any approval from the original equipment manufacturer. The French Rafale is now faced with the challenge of offering substantial discounts for potential orders, but as Dassault Aviation has secured numerous Rafale orders worldwide, it might limit its ability to provide significant price reductions. However, the Rafale still remains a strong contender for the contract, as major upgrades have been planned under the F4 and F5 standards until early 2030s. Hindustan Aeronautics and General Electric have reached agreements for the license production of the F-414 engine in India, and HAL is anticipated to start local manufacturing of the F-414 engines by late 2026. General Electric has already supplied Hindustan Aeronautics with 12 F-414 engines that will power the prototypes of Tejas Mark II and AMCA. The F-414 production rate will range from 5 to 7 units per year initially, that will power the follow-up prototypes of AMCA and the TED-BF. After the conclusion of the order for 108 Tejas Mark II aircraft by late 2028, the production rate of F-414 engines will increase significantly to 12 engines per year, and as the production of Tejas Mark II aircraft gains momentum, the engine production rate will gradually enhance by early 2030. Under the Super Sukhoi upgrade program, the Indian Air Force plans to equip the 150 Su-30 fighter jets with the Uttam Mark III radar, and developmental trials of the new radar will start by end of 2024 using two Su-30 platforms as testbeds. MBDA was not keen to integrate the Meteor missile on the Su-30 due to the Russian radar, and the Air Force is hopeful that with the introduction of the indigenous radar on the Su-30, the MBDA consortium might not have the same objections as before. The Su-30 will also get the Astra Mark III, but it is estimated to take at least 5 years before the Astra Mark III enters production. The managing director of Larsen & Toubro has said that the light tank prototype will be ready for internal trials in the coming couple of months, after which the Army will carry out technical trials and user-assisted tests and trials in plains, deserts and high-altitude mountainous terrains. He also said that the light tank order should be a reality over the coming 2-year horizon, followed by serial production. He also informed that the repeat order for 100 K9 Vajra is currently in the acquisition pipeline, and contract conclusion is expected during the current financial year. During talks with his Vietnamese counterpart, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has said that India will give 10 indigenously built in-service missile corvette to Vietnam. Vietnam has started official discussions to procure 5 BrahMos missile batteries worth $625 million that will significantly strengthen Vietnam's deterrence against potential adversaries. Vietnamese Defense Minister also visited DRDO headquarters and discussed ways to enhance defense industrial capabilities by cooperation in defense research and joint production.
Omar dropped it.